Thanks for joining us before you hit the road on your next adventure. Today is all about fifth wheels and properly hooking up to your fifth wheel hitch. When first mounting your fifth wheel hitch in the bed of your truck, remember the location of the hitch should set so that the pin of the trailer is located about an inch in front of the center point of the rear axle of your truck. It is always important to follow the hitch manufacturer's installation steps closely through this process. Your local Camping World Supercenter can also assist you in installing your fifth wheel hitch correctly. Before we get to connecting your trailer, always remember these preparations. Make sure that you're on a level, steady surface. Use wheel chocks so that the trailer doesn't move during the process. And make sure your tailgate is down or out of the way. Align your vehicle and trailer by backing up your truck and make sure you have enough room to get underneath your fifth wheeler's kingpin. Always be aware of how close your tailgate is to the trailer when backing up. Once you have the kingpin inside the truck bed, you can close your tailgate. Using your fifth wheeler's landing gear, then adjust the height of your trailer so that the bottom plate of the pin box is about 1 inch lower than the fifth wheel plate. Then, open the jaws of the fifth wheel hitch. Once completed, continue backing up the truck so that the kingpin rides up the fifth wheel hitch and into the jaws. If you don't have self-locking jaws on your hitch, close the hitch once the kingpin is in place. If you do have a self-locking mechanism, you'll see the hitch close on its own if you're lined up correctly and have the kingpin far enough into the system. You may want to lubricate the hitch prior to completing this step to minimize the resistance in connecting the system. After you have it secured, lock the jaws on the hitch and insert your safety pin to keep the lock in place. It is important to note that if you attempt to connect the kingpin to the fifth wheel at an exactly level plane, it could result in high pinning, scratching the hitch from the kingpin being too high above the jaws. Then, connect the emergency breakaway cable from the pin box to a permanent piece of the truck to ensure the fifth wheel's brakes will lock if it comes apart from the truck. Remember, you must have a battery active on the fifth wheeler to ensure this works correctly. Next, connect the fifth wheel's electrical plug to your truck and close the tailgate if you haven't already done so. Once you've completed these steps, do a pull test to make sure everything is in working order. First, manually activate the trailer brakes in the truck. Then, take off the emergency brake. Next, press the gas pedal gently to move the trailer a few inches. And lastly, re-administer the emergency brake. If the connection separates for any reason, stop immediately and reconnect the hitch to the kingpin. After successfully completing your pull test, raise your landing gear, remove your wheel chocks, and you're ready to go camping. Thanks for watching and enjoy the open road in your fifth wheel RV.